Hey guys, how's it going? Danesh here, and today we're checking out the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max. Like, this is a stunning phone with a whole lot to be excited about. I will break down a bunch of things that you need to know, and hopefully at the end of this, as always, as we do on Huawei videos, we will have a whole bunch to talk about, even later in the comments. So let's jump right in. Now, first and foremost, why the S in the name? The S in the name is primarily to differentiate from the Chinese model. So if you buy a 90S device, you're buying it outside of China. Therefore, you're getting the Android operating system, and you're getting, you're not getting the Harmony OS that is available in China. But apart from that, yes, hardware on the phone is the same, and we're going to break that down. Starting with this body. Now, this color is the flagship color that they are showing off this year. The one I have in my hand is the Orange Ocean. Now, they also have this in a color called Blaze Purple, Graphite Black, and Blush Gold. I personally think this one is stunning. I have loved dual tone colors right since Huawei started with what, the P20 if I'm not wrong. I think so. I was there for the launch in Paris when they did it, and from then I've loved it. Then we have on the body front, we have this camera bump on the back. It is quite a large bump. You can see it right there. But I'll tell you a weird thing. As a right-handed person, it does provide a perfect place to put your hand. Like, that is just perfect when you hold the phone, kind of taking off the pressure of the pinky if that's how you hold it. So like, as I've been using this phone, I've held it more like this than I have anything else. And yeah, random thing for the lefties, not so much, but you'll let me know, lefties, if you're using the Huawei Pura 90. The phone itself is 8.1 millimeters thick, which is a good thing. Now, obviously that doesn't include the camera bump, and it weighs about 230 grams, which is a little on the heavier side, but nothing outside of current market standards for large flagships. All right, before we go any further, I want to show you what's in the box itself. So first and foremost, we've got the Huawei Pura box here, Explore on AppGallery, which we'll obviously be talking about in a minute. Then inside we've got a SIM eject tool. We've got a case as well, which is a nice hard plastic case, and then it claps on really nicely and doesn't take away from the look and feel of the phone. It's quite slim on the sides, so really nice, and protects the cameras as well. So genuinely something nice to have in the box. Then we've got a 100-watt charger with a Type-C and Type-A cable input, but we've also got a charger cable, and that is Type-C to Type-C. So great to see that we've moved to Type-C to Type-C with Huawei, at least in the flagship products. All right, now I want to talk about this display, which is a really, really nice looking one. So let's kind of break it down. Now, first and foremost, we've got a 6.9-inch display, big, nice size, generically what we expect from large flagships now. It's an LTPO OLED, which means it'll do 1 to 120 Hertz, so it has an adaptive dynamic refresh rate. You've got PWM dimming up to 300 Hertz touch sampling rate, and it has a pixel density of 460. So what that basically translates to is a really, really nice display. I have thoroughly enjoyed using this display over the last few days. All right, so I've lined up something here on YouTube for us to watch, and basically, if you check it out, it's a good looking display. It looks nice, enjoyable experience, can take care of all fast-paced stuff that's happening. Colors look good, darker scenes look nicer. On the overall, just has a really, really nice pop and gives you that really nice cinematic experience, especially with the punch hole camera being right there. You're not missing out much. You can zoom in all the way if you want. It's not happening on this video, but you can. And on the overall, I like this display. To me, it has provided a good experience. There's a whole bunch of settings that you can do to kind of cater to whatever needs you might have as far as the display is concerned, which I will jump into in my long review. But on the overall, display a definite plus point for me on the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max. Now inside the phone, we've got the Kirin 930S octa-core processor, which we've got from Huawei themselves. It runs EMUI 16. Now this is also got 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. Now talking about the processor brings us to a very important new little feature which I'm super excited about. That is 5G. Not just 5G, we've actually got 5.5G now on Huawei phones, working beautifully here in the UAE. We've done a bunch of testing. Huawei took us to this spot where we checked it out at almost the max speed that's possible in Dubai right now. Though theoretically there's more possible, but this is one of the fastest speeds we could get on the phone. We took it up to Burj Khalifa and checked it out over there. That worked out really well as well. So having 5G is a huge plus point, because to me, it was one of the biggest sacrifices on using a Huawei device, and now that that's gone, damn, like I've been using this for a few days now, and internet speeds are just not an issue. Now we come to this camera. Now this camera is crazy. So we've got a 50 megapixel wide camera with a variable aperture of f1.4 to f4.0. We've got a 40 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, f2.2 aperture there, and we've got a 200 megapixel telephoto, which brings about the f2.6 aperture, and both the telephoto and the regular wide have optical image stabilization, which I think is awesome. We have 4x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. Also, by the way, we have 4K recording on this phone, and these features are what they are until you start kind of playing with the phone. And there are two main features that I want to talk about. One is AI composition. Now, this is a feature where basically you take the phone, and as you line up a shot, what this does is it looks at the scene, and let's say it's a building. It will basically find the perfect shot where it composes the image. It'll ask you to track to that little position through two concentric circles. And once you've done that, it'll click the picture for you. I think that is phenomenal for so many people. It does the same thing, by the way, with portrait shots as well. And it's just such a useful feature to have for the everyday person, and something that's so useful. I really like the implementation of that feature. So yeah, good job on having that. Another one that we have is now with the zoom. When you zoom up to 20x on video and on photos, you get some immense clarity and stabilization. I mean, we took this thing on a helicopter and we were zooming down and taking shots from 2 to 20x. We were taking more as well, but till 20x is where you get that beautiful quality. And some of these samples are absolutely amazing. Like, I'm very surprised by the quality that came out. When initially Huawei was like, oh, we're gonna go check it out, I was like, but yeah, some of the stuff I got, wow. Like, and all this was in the snap of a second, flying, you know, in a helicopter. It was a really good experience. And in general, I've always liked Huawei cameras. And for those of you wondering, the selfie camera is a 13 megapixel one. Now we move on to the battery, and this thing has a 6000 milliamp battery inside. Really nice. Has lasted me like easy 1.5 days. I've not had a problem pushing this thing. So definitely good battery life on this thing, plus a 100-watt charger in the box, so you just don't have to worry about it. Okay, last few things I want to touch upon is that we've got an IP69 body, so you don't really have to worry about water and dust, but you also have Kunlun glass, and it's got an anti-reflective layer, so you've got that protected as well. You've also got dual SIM, for those who are wondering. I know a lot of people need dual SIM, so you've got that as well. Now, one more thing a lot of you end up asking whenever I'm checking out a Huawei phone is Google Apps, and let me show you. So here are everything that I have downloaded and used. Downloading it is super easy. You just once click on the first Google app and you will download Gbox, which can give you the Play Store, and you can download things directly from there, or you want. Apart from that, yes, Google Pay still doesn't work. That's something that you need to know. But apart from that, everything that is shown here is working and usable and downloaded from the Google Play Store. So you've got that as well. And then you've obviously got the Huawei AppGallery, which in the UAE here has immense support. Like, the amount of UAE-based apps that are available on the AppGallery directly is amazing. Like, even our main apps such as UAE Pass and stuff, all available on the AppGallery. So that's really something that you don't have to worry about. I will have a more detailed conversation about this in my full review coming up soon. So don't forget to follow for that. But a few last things that I wanted to look into. Now, there's a lot of good stuff here as far as the Huawei Pura 90s Pro Max is concerned. But there is one thing that is phenomenal here in the UAE, which is the price. When they showed this phone off, I was like, yeah, like all brands, they're going to go straight into the 5,000-6,000 category. And here we are with the Huawei, available at 3,999. Plus you get gifts where you get FreeBuds Pro free, you get their 1-year warranty plus a APAC and MIA warranty. I mean, 3,999 for this is amazing. So definitely something that should be on your list, especially now that 5G is back. Google Apps are pretty much working. And yeah, what a price. My God. Let me know what you think of the price in the comments below, and let's take this conversation forward. I'd love to know what you want to see covered in detail in the review. That should be coming up soon. So yeah, just keep me posted and I'll try my best to have that review up really soon. Until the next one, my name is Danesh. I'll see you around.